Hi guys, welcome back. I was thinking to myself, what? We should give away some free stuff because I like free stuff, you like free stuff, everybody likes free stuff. So how about some of this free stuff? Okay, I haven't figured out how to interject the pictures yet, but it's coming, okay? So there are gonna be 3 items that you can choose from during this giveaway. So the way the giveaway is going to work is in the entire month of August, I'd like you to recommend as many of your friends and acquaintances to subscribe to my channel and make sure they put in like at the bottom of this video recommended by and put your name, and so we'll tally that up at the end of the month. You will get recommendations and recognition and so much appreciation from me and one of these 3 things. So recommend. As always, I appreciate your support and love for my channel, and stay tuned for more. Bye.